hot afternoon, a tired crow flew across the dry fields in search of water. The sun shone brightly and the earth cracked beneath him. After a long time, the crow saw a clay pot near a farmer's hut. He quickly landed beside it and looked inside. There was a little water at the bottom, but the crow's beak could not reach it. He tried to tilt the pot, but it was too heavy. He felt weak and almost gave up. Then he remembered something he had once seen: a farmer dropping pebbles into a bucket to raise the water level. The crow thought, maybe I can do the same. He searched nearby and found small stones. One by one, he picked them up and dropped them into the pot. Slowly, the water rose. The crow watched as the level climbed higher. Finally, the water reached the top. The crow drank, feeling refreshed. He had used his cleverness and patience to solve the problem. From that day, the crow learned that using your mind can often help more than using your strength.